Welcome to the city of Rancho Cucamonga. Right behind me, we have an amazing listing going up for sale, or it's actually for sale, listed at about $2 million. And you're thinking, man, Rancho Cucamonga, $2 million. This is what it is right here. It's right behind me. It's nearly 4,800 square feet. We're on a cul-de-sac, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, just an amazing home. We have a super high ceilings right when you walk in with a great chandelier. It's a little warm out here in SoCal today, but we're gonna give you the full experience of what we have to offer. As you can tell right behind me, we got some mountains a little far out, may not be able to see them, but let's go and tour this $2 million home in the city of Rancho. So we got a 3-car garage, 2-story, not a lot of lot space. I gotta give you that. Not a lot of lot space, but I like what they did here. Love what they did there. I really just wanna show off my shoes. I need to clean the laces a little bit, but so that's about as much front yard as you're gonna get. But look at those pillars coming in. And now guys, what I wanted to show you guys the whole time. Look at that, super high ceilings. Look at that chandelier. I mean, that TV looks a little small. I think I would go bigger with TV just because that marble slab right behind it is just impressive. Now see this look from the other side here. Look at all those windows up there. Just a great look. And then we walk this way and we have this kitchen with all these cabinets. You can fit an amazing fridge right there. Custom work here on the countertop. 68 cabinets. I'm just kidding. I made that number up. I can't really tell you if it's 68 or not, and I'm not gonna count them. I guarantee you that. Another living room here. Again, love what they did with the marble slab. I'm not gonna show you guys the backyard because wow, this just isn't much of it, but there's a little patio area. So we walk over here, guys, and we have this amazing office area here. And again, just another look of this open setting that we have here in the kitchen, living room area. And look at that marble that they put back there. Absolutely love it. I do like the formal dining area that they have here. Did an amazing job with the space. And I like how it's tucked away here, not in between here. You got the full kitchen with like the 68 cabinets we talked about. Got a full bedroom here. No restroom in this one. But if we come over to our laundry room, which is as big as a room, and then that's garage access there, we got here, it's like a guest restroom, I guess you can call it. Send all your guests over here, especially if they gotta go number 2. All right, I digress. Look at that. In my humble opinion, this is an entrance. This is what you call a mama, I made it entrance. And I know I've been saying that on a couple of videos, but that's really it right there. Mama, I made it entrance. I'm gonna show you some of the bedrooms while I catch my breath with coming up these stairs. I'm gonna show you the more basic bedrooms that they have here. They all have a full bathroom and then they also have a balcony. So let's check it out. Come here, full bath. Let's check out this back balcony because you're able to see what the neighborhood looks like. So full balcony here. Cul-de-sac, private. You got to drive through a few streets to get here, which is great. Ooh, it's nice and breezy. I'm getting a little sweaty going up and down these stairs. I know it's a little dark for you guys right now. Let's turn it around. Another full bedroom here, simple closet space, and then the full bath. We're back, baby, we're back. I hope my wife doesn't see this video because she likes that chandelier and she'll like that living room. All right. Now, for what you guys been waiting for, my second favorite part of this house, the master bedroom. The master retreat. Look, we got a couch here. We have couches there. I've never seen so many couches in a master bedroom in my life. And I likes it. I likes it and I wants it. And I'm glad they went big on the master bedroom because I'm gonna be hanging out here. I wanna chill here. A loft would have been cool in this house, but you have so much space downstairs, doesn't even matter. Now you come in here, you got the his and hers. It's a little hot, summertime is coming. Your wife's closet, well, try to fight her for that one. You'll have this section only. And then we walk over here where we have a spa. We have legit spa. When I go to Glen Ivy, I'm a little sweaty, but this deal is hot, right? This is a hot home. It's gonna move, guys. If you guys are looking to buy a new construction home in the Southern California area, specifically in Rancho, we're here to help you. We're your new construction SoCal specialist, or SoCal new construction specialist, I should say. If you're looking to book an appointment or book a showing, there's gonna be links below where you can either book a 15-minute call, you can text the number, you can even email me if you like, if that's easier for you. Do it, we got you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with somebody. Somebody wants to buy this house that you know, and I have to know them because I'm the one that's gonna help them out. Let's get them into this home. Guys, see you on the next home tour. SoCal Cedeno.